Here we're solving another absolute value inequality, but this time we have a greater than situation. So be really careful. Well, we would still like to isolate this absolute value part. To do so, let's get rid of the minus 5. So let's add 5 on both sides. Cancel, cancel. And we are looking at this as the absolute value of 7y plus 1. We still just maintain this to be greater than because we are only adding the 5 right here, right? And then negative 8 plus 5 is negative 3. Now check this out. We have an absolute value and we are saying that that's greater than negative 3, a negative number. Remember, the output of an absolute value is always positive or maybe sometimes 0. So no matter what you enter right here, the smallest value that you get is 0, which is always going to be greater than negative 3. So the truth is, when you have this inequality here, an absolute value is greater than a negative number. This right here, you have infinitely many solutions, and in this situation, you can plug in any value for y, and that will work. So the answer for this is all real numbers. That will make this work. Okay? But before we go, I would like to remind you guys what we should be doing, okay? Because these are like some tricky situations. Here's the deal. When you have an absolute value, if this is less than a negative number, this is impossible. Why? Because again, the output of an absolute value is always positive or maybe sometimes just 0. You cannot have a positive number less than negative number. You cannot have 0 less than negative number. So this equation has no solution. Sorry, I should say this inequality has no solution, right? However, the situation that we're doing is the absolute value of an inside, and we are saying that's greater than a negative number. In this case, the solutions are just all real numbers. So I'll just spread that down for you guys. The solutions are all real numbers. Put it here. Yeah. That's it.